So you know it's an election season, right?
Yeah, man.
So what you think about the vote buying in Jamaica?
Meaning like the government are buy people
Like
for
the
vote and
politician, the MP them.
well right now my boss. Based on what me see, it's not something where really right. But
Yeah.
knowing
Yeah.
Jamaican people now go vote unless them a benefit in a
Okay.
some way.
Yeah, I
You know?
understand. Yeah.
So from my perspective still, me would participate in that
Yeah, yeah.
because that is just a one-time thing. We are look for a long-term thing where go
Yeah.
benefit we the young
Yeah.
youth and benefit the country.
Yeah.
That is just a one-time opportunity.
Yeah.
But most Jamaicans don't look on it that way.
Yeah. Alright.
You know?
Suppose them give a offer where you know say yo, you and your family would have benefit from it. Cause sometimes them vote buying thing no come in a cash, you know. Come in a favors. You would have take it?
To be honest with you, yeah.
Okay.
Once it's something where go benefit me and
Yeah.
my family from suffering once me it's something where me can turn around to benefit me and my
Yeah.
family. Then of course would I take it.
Okay. So
You know,
how much you think you would have sell a vote for them?
well it's kind of hard to put a price on it still.
Okay.
Hard
Okay.
to put a price on it.
Yeah.
But me as an individual, me knows my vote valuable.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay.
My vote and not just to give anybody like that. So my vote priceless.
Alright. So alright, cause and what me would have asked you now is this. Say you sell your vote and the MP now perform what you want to perform. You think say him for respect your opinion based off of the fact say him don't pay for your vote already?
He not gonna respect me for my opinion.
Yeah.
Because him don't pay me already.
Okay,
You
okay.
understand?
Yeah.
But if me sell my vote and him now perform, it just next time around me know say yo watch you know. Now go partake in any election or put my vote towards you.
Yeah.
Because me vote you in a power to perform.
Yeah.
And if you take my vote and you now perform, there will be no more voted.
Alright.
Right?
Yeah. Alright.